Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe are the best glass vacuum seal containers on the market. The Zwilling Fresh and Safe 4-piece small glass vacuum sealer food storage containers with airtight lids. Now, if you're someone who meal preps, stores leftovers, or just wants to keep your food fresher for longer, you're going to want to pay close attention. Zwilling has built a solid reputation in the kitchenware space, and this vacuum sealing set is a game changer. Let's talk first impressions. These containers look and feel premium. Each container measures approximately 6.1 inches long, 3.35 inches wide, and 2.76 inches high. You get 4 of them in the set. The glass is thick, crystal clear, and gives a very clean, high-end aesthetic. And while they look elegant, they're built to handle daily kitchen use. The lids are where the magic happens. These airtight lids work with Zwilling's Fresh and Safe vacuum sealing system. Now, just a heads up, the vacuum pump is sold separately, so if you don't already have one, you'll need to pick that up too. But once you have it, it's incredibly simple to use. Just attach the pump to the lid's valve, press a button, and in seconds, the air is out. You've got a vacuum seal that keeps your food fresh up to 5 times longer than regular containers. And we're not just talking freshness. The vacuum sealing also helps preserve flavors and nutrients while preventing freezer burn. So, whether you're storing fruits, cooked meals, or marinated proteins, you're locking in quality. Now, functionality. These containers are super versatile. They're BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, microwave-safe without the lid, and freezer-safe. That means you can prep, store, reheat, and clean up without hassle. And because they're made of glass, you won't get those stubborn stains or lingering smells you often get with plastic. Zwilling also offers a free Culinary World app that pairs with these containers. You can track when you stored something and when it's likely to expire. It's a thoughtful addition that really helps reduce food waste. The engineering behind this product is no surprise, given Zwilling's German roots. The design is sleek, the materials are durable, and everything feels refined. And even though the vacuum pump is cordless and sold separately, it's worth the investment. It's compact, powerful, and easy to use, and it completes the system perfectly. If you're someone who's looking to elevate your food storage game, this is it. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, batch cooking dinners, or just saving last night's pasta, these containers deliver quality, practicality, and freshness that's hard to beat. So that wraps up today's review. If you're interested in checking them out, we'll leave the product link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hands-on product reviews, right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.